मुद्रा नीति घोषणा कला रिजर्व बैंक। आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास द्विमासिक मुद्रा नीति कमिटी बा एमपीसी बैठक में मुद्रा नीति नहीं घोषणा करिसेंती। रेपो रेट 4% और रिवर्स रेपो रेट 3.35% अपरिवर्तित रखा जायछि। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रा मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमिटी बैठक में एने निष्पत्ति होइछि बोली गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास कहिसेंती। मुद्रा नीति नहीं घोषणा होइछि। नुआ और द्विमासिक मुद्रा नीति जहाँ रही रेपो रेट रिवर्स रेपो रेट केते रही से नहीं घोषणा करा जायछि। 4% रही रेपो रेट से भली रिवर्स रेपो रेट 3.35% अपरिवर्तित रखा जायछि। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रा मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमिटी बैठक में ए निष्पत्ति होइछि।
That as we are approaching the shore, when the shore is so close, we don't want to rock the boat, because we realize that there is a life, there is a journey beyond the shores. So we don't want surprises. It will be calibrated. It will be an approach of gradualism. And fifth and finally, I would like to sum up all these 4 points which I have said. Let there not be any concern about the adequacy of liquidity in the system to support economic activity or to support financial markets. Let me reiterate, as I just now said, let me reiterate and re-emphasize that VRRR auctions are primarily a tool for rebalancing liquidity as part of our liquidity management operations and should not be interpreted as a reversal of the accommodative monetary policy stance, of our accommodative policy stance. The Reserve Bank will ensure that there is adequate liquidity, as I just now mentioned. The Reserve Bank will ensure that there is adequate liquidity to support the process of economic recovery. The Reserve Bank will continue to support the market in ensuring an orderly completion of the borrowing program of the government.